What's up, guys? We're here just doing the private ultimate break. It's 7:46 here in Denver, Colorado. I will go ahead. Marty, calm down. I'm just gonna now. 7:46. I just turned 7:47. So I'm gonna do the randomization. We got everybody's name in here. It's John, Scotty, Marty, Stefan, John, and Bobby, and then it's just repeated 6 times. So there should be 36 items. If there's any more, I'll just redo the video. Um, but this is just for the random hits. So we're going to go 3 times, and then that will be the order. 1 and 2. We got 36, so that's good. 3. Marty. John. You got a lot. So that's going to be the order, and that's just distributed evenly. So that's how we're going to do it. I'll print this out, and then we'll get the break going here in like 30 minutes. All right.